Hey, what's up? So I got a brand new website for you because I'm going to show you how you can click and earn $100 per day using this brand new website, and you can start making money online. So there it is. All you got to do is three simple steps to get started. First, you're going to copy the YouTube URL. You're going to enter the keywords and the different countries that you want to share it to, and then you're just going to get views. You're going to get a lot of likes, and you're going to get a lot of subscribers. Now, what I want to share with you in this method is totally brand new, and it is ready, and you can start making $100 per day by doing this simple little trick. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. If this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, you already know, like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And right after this video, I want you to go straight to the video at the end where I'm talking about posting articles. So you can post articles on this also brand new website, and you can earn some free PayPal money. So the method I'm going to share with you is you could start making money as soon as you're finished watching this video and start implementing. Now, the people who just watch this video and don't do anything about it, of course, you're not going to be making any money. So let's jump into the video right away. So if you scroll up here, we're just going to go over it. As I said, you're basically just going to copy and you're going to paste the URL, and then you're going to find the different countries. You're going to find the different keywords that match, and you're going to get a lot of views and a lot of subscribers and a lot of likes. Now, I don't want you to go out there and you're going to create a YouTube channel and all that kind of stuff. That's not what we're going to be talking about. We're not going to be talking about affiliate marketing either, so don't need to worry about that. And if you watch this video all the way to the end, I'm going to give you this special script that I put together right here, so you could use this script and you could start making money ASAP. So let's do this. All right. So the website that we're going to be talking about is called weefly.com. So that's VEE fly.com. And the reason for this particular website is you can make videos go absolutely viral, especially on YouTube. So that's the thing that we're going to be doing. We're going to be making sure that people are getting a lot of views and they're getting the help that they're looking for. So they're going to be helping getting more views. But as I said, you're not going to be creating a YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how we're going to be able to make $100 per day with this brand new website using this method. Okay. So there's so many people out there that are struggling to get leads, subscribers to their business. And oftentimes, most people will just give up. And the reason because they give up is because they're not getting the reach. There's not a lot of people viewing their information. And let's be honest, YouTube can become super, super difficult if you don't know exactly what you're doing, right? So while we're using this, we show is like real time. So it's not like you're going to buy any fake likes or anything. These people come from Google AdWords. So they're going to be going out here, which is WeFly. They're going to find the real people that's going to be doing a lot of engaging, right? Self-serving dashboard that you can do. So you can also check it out. The channels, it doesn't matter what size and what niche. So most of these huge channels that you see out there, they kind of use this to kind of boost their algorithm to then stay on top of the game. So that's why you see most of them grow super, super fast, right? And if you head on over right now to YouTube, and what I did was I type in weight loss. So I type in weight loss, and when I pull up weight loss, I see a bunch of different weight loss channels. Now you have big, you have medium, you have very, very small channel, and you have some people that are doing, not doing so well, and some of them are not doing extremely well. So what we're going to be targeting, we're going to be going and we're going to find, and the reason why I pick weight loss, you can use this for any niche. You can do it for affiliate marketers, you can do it for network marketers, you can do it for gamers and all that stuff. I decided to show this example in the weight loss niche because I know the weight loss niche is huge and people are always looking for ways how they could grow their channel and all that. So what we're going to be doing, first thing we're going to go is we're going to go find a weight loss channel. Perfect example, weight loss with Sarah. She's got 163 videos. She has 129 1029 subscribers. So as you can see, She's documenting her journey. She's doing good. She's getting a lot of people who are following her, and she consistently keep posting time and time again. Now, of course, we can definitely contact Sarah and see if she's interested in the service. And what service that I'm going to be talking about. Now, I'm going to get back on the type of service that we're going to be talking about. But if we go over to Fiverr and you type in YouTube views, just by typing YouTube views at Fiverr, and if you don't know what Fiverr is, Fiverr basically is a freelance website that they share multiple different ways and ideas of doing. You could do graphic design, you could do digital marketing, you could do writing, you could do content, but we're doing video views. And if you look on here, you see organic video views. You got $5, you got 30, you have 30, you got another 5, you got 15, you got 10, you got 10, you got $40, you have $5, you got 10. So there's different price and range that you can do. Now we're at work. We can do this on Upwork.com. We can also do it on Fiverr.com. Now, the method that we're going to be doing is we're going to be finding these YouTube channels. So when we find these YouTube channels, all you got to do is go over here where it says About. So we're going to go to the About section. And then once we go to the About section, you always going to find where it says for business inquiries, you could view email address. So you can click on here. All right, just make sure you're not a bot. I'm going to do the traffic light and all that stuff. You just want to make sure you're not a bot. Traffic light, verify, and then you click on submit. Now, here's the email right here. You could just copy this email and you could just send this email over to this person and Sarah. Now, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be offering our services. So the email that I told you about is what we're going to be doing, right? So this is the email that I put together nicely. Now, I don't want everybody who watched this video use the exact same method, but just use this as an idea to get going. So what I said is like, you could say, hi, Sarah, trust you're doing well. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andre. I'm a YouTube social media specialist, and my duty is to help small channels like yours get massive exposure and growth in order to reach new customers, viewers, and subscribers. Now, I want to help your channel to grow by offering a top-class service to gain more eyeballs and views from real people. This is not a bot service, and I would like for you to sample my service to gain 400 to 1,300 views within the next 24 hours from targeted customer. Please reply and let me know if you're interested to learn. Now, of course, if you reach out to one person, they're not going to reply. So you're going to have to consistently find channels, email these people, copy, send them an email, and see who replies. Some people will, some people won't. That's the name of the game. Nothing comes easy. You gotta put in the time. So once you do that, right? As soon as you do that and you send them, if she does reply, let's say she replies and she said, all right, I want to learn more about your service. All you have to do is just reply and say, well, our service that we're going to be doing and we're going to offering is called, it's a service that's going to help you make your videos go viral. So all you have to do, if you want to see if she decided to move forward and you're communicating, let's say perfect example, right? Perfect example, I'm just going to use a video. So give me 1 second. Let me just use a video. Let me just copy this. I'll click on playlist. All right, so there it is. So I'm gonna just copy one of these videos. So I'm gonna copy this video right here. Copy the video, and when I do copy the video, the next thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm gonna go to WeFly. So I'm gonna paste this in here. I'm gonna be offering my service. It's gonna be coming up right there. Now, you can put the email address in here, your login information, I agree terms and conditions, and the next step you wanna do, okay, we're trying to get views, right? Trying to get likes, we're trying to get subscribers, we're trying to get website traffic. So we could go to the website traffic, you can put it in there. We can do it with subscribers or whatever. Now we click on next. Once you click on next, now how much is your budget? Now weed service, I think it's weed service is $10. All you got to do is just put down 10, and $10 you get anywhere from 400 to 1,300 views. So let's say you both agree that okay, she's willing to pay 25. So all you got to do is put down $10, right? So you put down 10, you keep 15. 15 is going to be for you, and all you got to do is just click next. When you click on next, you could find the countries that you want to do. Maybe she wants USA. Maybe she wants Canada, right? Maybe she wants some top tier country. You know, maybe she wants Canada. Maybe she wants the UK, United Kingdom. I don't know, but you could do that, right? Once you do that, you scroll down here. This is a regular video. This is a music video. Of course, it's a regular video. Describe your video. So here you'd put, okay, weight loss. You'll put some more keywords like losing weight. Lose weight, health, fitness, running, all that, right? So you can put as much as you want. Then what you're gonna do is right down here, as you can see, so she's gonna get anywhere from 345 to 35 views, and this is real people. So this is real people that is coming from Google AdWords. So it's not like it's bot. So that's why you're getting this amount of views for that. Anybody who sells cheaper views on this, it's gonna be some fake stuff. And all you gotta do is just submit the campaign and let it wait. So you could, that's one way you could do it, is by reaching out to small channels in different niche. Or you could just come on over here to Fiverr and you could sign up for Fiverr too. So anybody who signed up through Fiverr, all you gotta do is go over to go over to WeFly.com, and when you go to WeFly.com, all you got to do is just do the work. You pay your $10 here, and then WeFly will just do the rest, and that's how you're gonna make money. So I hope this video helps, and make sure you copy this thing and don't use it word for word, but make sure you be creative and come up with some great ideas. So if you're looking for my number one recommendation of making money, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. I'll send that over to you so you can get started and you can start making money too. Appreciate you. Have a great day and see you on the next video. Peace.